Hi dear friends, it's Niharika Gupta. Welcome to my channel Future Synonym. It's your reading for Sun, Moon, Venus rising in Virgo for the week 19th of April to 25th of April. This is your money reading and this is your important relationship sector reading, including theme, guidance or do's and obstacle or don'ts. Let's just start into the reading. Before that, I would like to remind you, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it and hit the notification bell so that you know when I post any important video for your sign. Okay, so this is the Emperor in your money situation. This is guidance and this is the obstacle. In important relationship, it includes parent, child, husband, wife, siblings, and people seeking true, genuine love. So you can take this reading for important relationship that any relationship that is important to you at this point of time in your life, right, Virgo? Okay, so wow, that's a nice reading. That's in money situation. I see a good boost coming to you. It's a major arcana. It will be the theme. It will be um, the energy surrounding you in this week. So it is a very solid energy, as you can very well perceive from the image of the card itself. It is the card of authority. It is the card of the right kind of assistance being given to you either by external guidance only. It is not in the internal one, which you have to rely upon yourself. You have to rely on somebody else, other person outside yourself, and he or she will be, most probably it denotes a male person, but so that person will be guiding you in the right, they will be having some ideas, or if you are in business, or they may be your senior in your boss, and they may see your real potential, and they may have some good intentions for you, good ideas for you, for your promotion. So you have to be ready to take that assistance and be ready to take that promotion. So I see a good news coming to you, Virgo, this week. Very promising energies with these two cards. It is Seven of Pentacles. It is the Earth energy, and it is again calling for you know reassurance of something, like you, if you have been planning for future, and if you have been it is just asking you to continue on your path, whatever you are doing, right? Virgo, you are, whatever you are doing, just please continue on that path and have some faith. Okay, have some faith, and just continue doing your hard work. Don't get distracted about any uh, thing, like it is too much of an hard work or something like that. Things are not paying you off how it will be paying you off. It seems that this person is worrying, but actually he's in the appraisal mode. He's appraising the things, how what he has got, what he can get, how he should work. And he has just stopped for a while after this Six of Pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles. He has stopped for a while to just for a quick check of the things, what is going right, what is going where, and how he is progressing, and how he has to do. He sees this red color. This is the color of passion and action, and he's ready very instantly. He's all ready to move ahead and take ahead. So this combination is actually, this red color is dominating, as you can see. It's the light orange and this red and yellow color are dominating. Red is the first and yellow is the second one. So both has, it's the card of action and the card of intelligence. So whatever intelligence you have put in any sector, in any, you are setting the solid foundations, Virgo. That is being seen in the cards. And you, whatever your foundations you have set, you are setting them on solid grounds. So definitely you are about to receive some good results for that. And your only obstacle is maybe there is no point of thinking in a negative way right now. It's a moon card, it's a major arcana. This is also major one. So theme is major one, and this is also a major one. So obstacle is a major one. Maybe you have been, you uh, just one caution with this obstacle thing. It is if you have been just do not take quick decisions this week, Because why? Because you do not be having you will not be having the all the right informations, all the facts and figures in your hands to make the right decision, right? So you just have to wait for a while, because there may be some secrets when this has come up in your secret sorry in your obstacle card. This is a moon, and it talks about secrets, and it is in your obstacle position, Virgo. So just be little patient, as this is your guidance also, right? This is the card of patience also. So just be patient, and do not overthink anything, right? Do not doubt situations, people around you, or do not overthink, right? Just take the things as they are and what they are, and be patient, and just be calm in yourself. Just enjoy your authority, right? Even if it is not yet become concrete, it has not yet become physical in your life, it is still in your mental space. Just enjoy that authority, and money flow will be all well, and it is all well, I see this week. Go in your love life again. It is please continue. It is the cards are asking you again. It is they're asking you to do not feel, do not take too much burden for yourself, Virgo. It is like it is the 10 of wands, as I have earlier also discussed in my readings. This card I have been interpreting in this way only, and uh, it says that please on continue to do your hard work, and it will pay you off. It will your hard work will pay you. It will pay you. You will get the results, you will get the right results. But this week you have to you will feel great burden on your shoulders, that universe is not giving you answers for your problems. It has given you all the daunting tasks, and you will be feeling tired, and you will be feeling like your relationship is not going anywhere. It's all boredom, it's all stagnation is there. The other person is not responding to your warm feelings, right? All sort of you are the only person who is doing everything for the relationship, and you are not getting any support, right? Such sort of things, feelings will be there, and you will be busy in some mundane tasks also, like just the mm, not the main, not very interesting tasks, as you can just interpret it in that way. But your guidance is Queen of Swords. You will be, if you are struggling for to find out some solutions where your treasure lies. If for the people who are single and who are looking for a new partner, you have to just be ready to uh, just take your swords high, and let the clouds of fear, doubts to fall down in fall down against your mental ability, your mental strength, right? Virgo, you have to apply your brain. You are already a sign who is interested in scientific things, who is interested in, who you work like a scientist in your real life. You are good in the careers that are related to some kind of research is involved. You are good at that, because you are naturally very keen to know the why of the things, why it is happening, why it is this, why it is that. So this week, if you apply that energy in your love life, that is going to serve you well. This Queen of Swords energy, it's a beautiful thing. It's analytical. You will be analytical this week, and you will not be very social this week, right, Virgo? You will be busy in your own self, your work, this mundane things. But I see positive vibes for you, I am sensing. And the obstacle is, please be slow to react to any news, any proposal, maybe uh, for singles, or those who are in a relationship, right? Like I said, you are feeling very burdened right now. Okay, Virgo. So please do not be very much enthusiastic, very much impulsive to show your anger, show your uh, disagreement with somebody, or your reaction on some news which you have not been able to understand or decipher wisely. Okay, so this may be a bad news, this may be over usage of social media also sometimes. So you are just using social media over, than what is actually required, right? Which is disturbing, and you are not using your brain, and you are just flowing with the flow. That is why you are feeling so burdened. So this is your guidance: use your brain. So just enjoy an equal and a normal exchange of, love messages or interaction or communication with your loved ones, your people around you, and do not be engaged in any kind of gossips or any kind of, backbiting or something of that sort that may backfire on you. You may be caught on some controversy or something. So just be aware of that, Virgo, and I see things improving in your love life. You Some hard work is there, but it's Ten of Wands. It's temporary. It will pass off, and nice things in the money. So a very positive reading for you, Virgo. This is what I have got for you right now. Do let me know how it resonated with your personal situation in the comment section. If you liked it, give it a like, and share it with your friends and family members who share your sign. Take care of yourself well in these tough times of pandemic, and God bless you. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.